The goal of this call is to add truly exceptional value to your life and your business. On this call, we want to help you get clear on what's really holding you back right now from building that successful business. And we want to help you identify at least one shift that you can make right now to elevate your game. We want to help you get from where you are right now to where you truly want to be. So since I launched my coaching company 10 years ago, I have coached and trained thousands of mortgage professionals across the nation. And I have seen firsthand the amazing transformation that occurs when people truly get intentional about their business and get committed to accountability with a coach. So if you find yourself spending way too much time working in your business and on your files instead of focused work on your business, or if you find yourself struggling to find new ways to connect with them for referral partners, then I want you not to hesitate. Schedule your complimentary strategy call right now. We really want to help you make intentional choices today to get super strategic about your path ahead and to achieve the success that you absolutely know you're capable of. So go and request your free strategy call now. My team and I are extremely grateful for the opportunity to support your journey ahead, and I personally look forward to connecting with you very soon.